After coming to the eClass portal, scroll down below, you will find the course you already enrolled. Okay, this is the AI ML course. Then click here, then you will redirected to this page. Scroll down, then you will find the live session. Complete it first, then the quiz. So you have to submit the quiz. Each question carries 1 mark and there is no negative marking of the question. Okay, so there is 5 questions and the duration is 5 minutes. So click this attempt quiz. Now start attempt. Okay, so one time you can attempt this quiz. Okay, this is the first question. CRT stands for classification and regression trees. Now next page. Following statement is not correct. Subscribe my channel if you get some help from this video and press the bell icon to get all the further videos in this topic. Now after you finish your attempt, okay, click finish attempt. Then submit all and finish. Now after you finish the quiz, don't forget to click this mark as done.